Hi everyone, Neil Kearney here, giving you a quick update on the Boulder County real estate market as of November. Well, it's actually early December, but these are the numbers through the end of November 2021. And wanted to break this into two pieces. I'm going to give you a quick update on the Boulder County market, and then wanted to just talk about a couple of broad trends that we're seeing throughout the country. So the first, sales are still strong in Boulder County. We're a little bit lower than last year during November, but if you compare it over time, it was higher than the previous 5 years in terms of the number of sales in November, so quite strong. The other, of those sales, 42% of those sales during the month were above the asking price. And if you take just that chunk of the ones that are above the asking price, those sold for on average about 5.75% above the list price. So that's comparable to these past months that we've had. So it's still continuing to be very strong. Inventory is very low. We're actually at the lowest level that I've seen since I've been tracking the market for 15 years or more in terms of inventory. So those are the main headlines of the market we're seeing in Boulder County, and it's not a change than what we've been seeing since spring. What we have been looking at, if you're looking at a broader view of real estate in general, nationwide, we're seeing, just like everything else, prices going up. So inflation, at the grocery store, at the gas tank, everything you're buying seems to be a little bit higher than it was, if not noticeably higher. And real estate is no exception. Actually, this past quarter, year over year, so third quarter to third quarter, 2020 to 2021, nationwide, the average appreciation for homes is over 18%. That's an all-time high. In Boulder County, it was 17.5%, so just a little bit below the average, but still very strong. So we're seeing that, and this is great news for people who own homes, but the people who are aspiring homeowners, the people who are yet to buy a home, this is really a tough market to get into. And what's enabling the market to continue to be strong is wages are going up and the interest rates continue to be low. So I'll put a graphic up that shows the interest rates over time, and we're still right around 3%, which is super low. If those continue to be low, it's going to keep fueling the real estate market. If we see a spike in the future, well, it should go up, but if we do see a spike, that's going to slow down our real estate market in the future. So we'll see how that goes. This time of year, what I'm usually looking at is, will the trend continue or will it not? And what I see is pent-up demand that has not been met because the inventory is low. And then also sales continue to be strong. So I expect that we will have a strong start to the year and maybe a quick start of the year depending on the weather. So usually locally, if we have a mild weather during January and February, sales start stronger earlier. And if we have kind of more of a snowy weekends and things like that, then it continues into March and then we start from there. So hopefully this update was helpful. Please let me know if I can be of any assistance to you as you consider Boulder real estate. Take care. Have a great month.